Hi, I'm Charlotte Hildreth with the Lyons Home and Land Group, and today we are with Jerry Fowler with Bank South Mortgage. Hi.
Hey, how are you? It's nice to be here.
Well, thank you for being here with us. So we are going to ask Jerry a couple questions about the market. So as you are well aware, everyone wants to know, how are interest rates and how is today's market?
Well, interest rates are inching upward, and they have been all year. Feds meet Wednesday of next week. It's the flip of a coin as to whether or not they'll increase the overnight funding rate another quarter. The inflation numbers are starting to come down, which may indicate that they may take a breather. Typically, the overnight Fed funding rate does not drastically affect rates. In some cases, it'll actually go down when they increase it. So.
And how do you see the market here at the lake? Obviously, you're a seasoned lake liver. You've been here for a while, and you are very familiar with this area. So what do you see that happening for us?
We've been here 18 years, and the only time I've lost money on real estate at the lake is when I didn't buy something. So you need to go ahead and buy.
Okay.
Prices are not going to come down. They've stabilized, so you don't have the 25-30% appreciation that you did in 2021 because of COVID. But if you look at a 20-year average between 2002 and 2022, we're averaging 4% a year, which historically is you're right on track. COVID caused us to catch up really quickly.
So would you say it's a buyer's market or a seller's market?
I would say it is still a seller's market.
Okay.
Here at the lake, you have a very diverse group of homeowners. A lot of second home properties, a lot of affluent borrowers and buyers. They don't necessarily have to sell. And those that had mortgages, we refied them in 20 and 21, and they're now at 3.5%, 4%. So they're not going to sell their house unless they can make some money on it.
Okay, so talking about refinancing, if I were to purchase a home, or if we have buyers that are purchasing homes now, let's say the interest rates go down, would they be able to refinance?
Absolutely. We actually offer a 5-year no lender fee refi as a result of the economy that we've been in for the last year.
That's awesome. And why do you see that it's so important for someone to work with a lender that knows the lake?
Well, this market's very unique. The good thing about our company and the fact that we've been doing it so long here is my underwriters have actually been to the lake. We've toured all the gated communities. We've toured the rural area. A lot of investors that are buying these loans don't understand the difference between a cove lot, max lot, or point lot rather. And so when it gets into underwriting, they're questioning the values because you can have two houses on the same street and they'd be worth $500,000 difference in price.
Exactly.
So somebody that understands the market, we use local appraisers. I kind of get fussed at because I don't have a lot of appraisers on my panel, but the ones I have, we trust. And I don't want somebody coming in from Alfred to do your appraisal. And
they're very familiar with the area. So.
Absolutely, they live here too.
Absolutely. So now we have buyers that obviously want to be very competitive. And so once they put an offer in, how quickly can you close this loan?
Well, that really depends on your buyers and how organized they are, and whether they pre-qualified ahead of time. If you sign a contract on Friday or over the weekend and I don't talk to them until Monday or Tuesday, that kind of puts me behind the 8 ball. But typically from the time we get all of their documentation and get the loan put together, it takes 30 days to close. Sometimes we can do it less depending on, there's several factors. We're closing one next week it was a rescue loan from another lender. They actually were supposed to close last Thursday, and on Friday the lender called them and says, we can't close.
Ouch.
But the good news is we had an appraisal waiver. The borrower had great credit. They're putting out a large down payment, so appraisal was not required.
Perfect.
So that speed things up.
It's safe to say that you would prefer for our buyers to call you in advance before they write an offer?
Well, that would be nice, but you realtors are going to write an offer regardless whether they talk to me.
Whoops. To narrow it down, obviously, we appreciate you being here with us, but one of the biggest things is work with a lender that knows the lake.
Correct.
Knows the area, knows the market, and is knowledgeable. And obviously, we've been working together for a while, and we really do appreciate you guys.
We enjoy working with you.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Jerry, for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
If you guys have any questions, please reach out, and Jerry will be more than happy to get you pre-qualified.
Sounds good.